Upon your incapacity or death, your Coinbase account will never transfer itself to your family. If your plan is not done right, your family and heirs may never get access at all. More Californians than ever hold real value inside Coinbase and similar crypto platforms, but almost no one understands how these accounts interact with a living trust-based estate plan. The platforms were not built for estate planning, and the gaps can leave families locked out. Stay with me because you are about to learn a simple and secure way to bring your digital assets into your California Living Trust. Mitch has spent more than 30 years as a lawyer helping thousands of clients with their legal matters and many people and families with their estate planning needs. He's helped other families protect what matters, and he can help you too. It's also important to note that Mitch is knowledgeable about the new Web3 technologies and has even written several books and dozens of blog posts and articles that included a legal and business deep dive on the topics of cryptocurrency, NFTs, Bitcoin ordinals, and other decentralized technologies. With all of this in mind, we are going to walk you through a very practical process that works when it comes to making sure your Coinbase account is transferred into your estate plan. Here's what you need to know. Digital assets are no longer niche. People across California hold cryptocurrency on Coinbase, Kraken, Gemini, and other platforms. These accounts often sit outside traditional estate planning, and that gap becomes a real problem when the owner becomes incapacitated or passes away. Here is how you bring digital assets into your estate plan. Start with the law. California adopted the Uniform Fiduciary Access to Digital Assets Act. This law allows your successor trustee or your agent, under a durable power of attorney, to access your digital assets, but only if your documents give clear written permission. Courts will not assume access. Your trust and your power of attorney must say it directly. The problem is that for many, Coinbase, and many major exchanges normally do not let you retitle a personal account into the name of your living trust. Having said that, and as of the date of this video, Coinbase Prime does allow for trust accounts, but for most of you watching this video, I'm guessing you're using a regular Coinbase account that isn't set up as a trust. So, please keep watching. The thing to keep in mind is that you cannot treat these accounts like everyday bank accounts. Your estate plan must work around these limitations. The rules and procedures for these platforms change all the time, so make sure to check the terms of service agreements of Coinbase and other similar platforms you may be using for the latest updates and options. With all of this in mind, here's how you transfer ownership of your Coinbase account into your California estate plan in 3 steps. First, your revocable living trust and durable power of attorney must grant your successor trustee full digital asset rights under the Uniform Fiduciary Access to Digital Assets Act we talked about earlier. Your durable power of attorney must give your agent the same rights during your lifetime. These documents must include authority to control, manage, transfer, secure, or liquidate cryptocurrency and related digital assets. The documents our firm uses provide for this. Second, create a digital asset instruction letter. This is a private document you keep with your plan. It lists your Coinbase account, any other exchanges, hardware wallets, seed phrase locations, security devices, and storage methods. You do not list passphrases or passwords. You instead tell your fiduciary where that information is stored. This gives them certainty. It also creates a clean roadmap for administration. Third, give your fiduciary the legal path for transfer. Even though you cannot title a Coinbase account in your trust, unless you're using the Prime account option, and again most of you are not, your successor trustee can secure the account once they have authority, move the assets, or liquidate them as part of the trust administration process. That keeps everything outside probate. Probate courts are not equipped to manage digital keys or cryptocurrency, and your process prevents that problem. If your preferred exchange supports trust-owned accounts, you can open a trust account now and move assets there during your lifetime. Some exchanges allow this. Many do not. When they do, it simplifies everything. When they do not, your instruction letter and fiduciary powers mentioned earlier still protect you. Again, check for the latest terms of service updates relating to the accounts you use. Next, plan for incapacity. Cryptocurrency fluctuates quickly. You need someone able to act while you are alive, but unable to manage the account. Your durable power of attorney gives your agent that authority. Your instruction letter tells them where to find access information. Next, plan for distribution. Your successor trustee will secure your account, move the assets into trust administration, and distribute them based on your instructions. Some families prefer liquidation. Others prefer an in-kind distribution. Your trust needs to authorize both. Finally, protect privacy. Do not list digital asset details in your will. Wills become public. On the other hand, your trust and instruction letter stay private and secure. And even though your revocable trust is private, we don't recommend listing passphrases and passwords in the trust itself. Again, use a separate document, like a digital asset transfer letter, telling your trustee or agent in your power of attorney where the information is stored, such as a home safe or safety security box at your bank. Do the above and you'll be far ahead of 99% of everyone else who owns cryptocurrency and using these services. This process protects your digital assets during your life and after. You eliminate confusion. You create certainty. You keep your family in control. If you found this video helpful, you're going to like our playlist on digital assets. It should display here on the screen, but just in case, we'll include a link in the description.